How to rename audio in Instagram Reels. First of all, after you open up your phone to rename audio on Instagram Reel, now go ahead and swipe your Instagram to right and open your camera section. After you open your camera section like this, all you have to do now, tap on this reel section, select the reel. After you select this reel, all you have to do now, you can go ahead now and tap on this, as you can see now, tap on this record icon to record your video, or tap on this gallery icon to upload the video. But for me, I'll just go ahead and record the video. So after you finish recording your video, as you can see, tap on this next button. So now tap on this next again. So as you can see now, if you scroll to down in this section now, tap on this, as you can see here, it says original audio. So tap on this rename audio button, this one. So in this rename audio, as you can see now, it says give your audio a unique name. You can only rename your audio once. So all you have to do now is remove the original audio and type in your audio name, like just type something about your audio. As you can see now, just type in your audio name. After you finish typing your audio name, as you can see now, just tap on this save button at the top. After you tap on this save button, now you can go ahead and share your Instagram reel. So whoever now open up your video, he will see this name as your audio name without just seeing this original audio. That's it guys on how to rename or how to change audio name in Instagram reel. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.